Well, last week we have this factory acceptance test with the customer. We are testing mainly for the scanning. So we are scanning the panel faces and really see what our system is focused and what our system is, see from the panel surfaces.
The first idea came from customer contact. The idea started to go forward quite quickly after that. Actually, it fits really well into our existing R5 concept to handle panel repair. We have this patented R5 solution where the camera travels over the panel and on the way back it is repaired. The solid wood panels, they are way bigger than the plywood. So two aspects, the panel thickness and panel sizes. And other than that, everything was suitable from the plywood business. The biggest benefits what customer can achieve on these solutions is the big labor savings, safety and uniform end product. It was really close cooperation, I would say. We get good guidance about the end quality requirements, so the quality and the way how it's supposed to repair, everything went really smoothly with customer.
We are now dismantling this, packing this all the line. Delivery takes place in a couple of weeks' time and the assembly starts in the first weeks of next year.